Meaning of ELF.
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 ELF. ELF stands for Executable and Linkable Format, which is a file format used for executables, object code, shared libraries, and core dumps. It was developed originally by Unix System Laboratories and later standardized by the Tool Interface Standards Committee. The ELF format provides several advantages over older binary formats such as COFF and A.out, including improved portability, more efficient memory usage, and support for dynamic linking. Today, ELF is widely used on many operating systems, including Linux, Unix, and various embedded systems, and has become a de facto standard for executable files and libraries.